Guys, if you want to improve your skin, I have Dermaroller review. I have 0.5 Dermaroller, which is amazing for the wrinkles, fine lines, and tiny small acne scars. So I'm gonna be talking today in this video about Dermaroller 0.5, and that's my favorite size. This is that I use the most often, and it does amazing, beautiful results. I have some client pictures before and after. I have my own healing journey, how my skin helped and everything, how this helped to me for my skin, improved and everything. I'm sorry, today I'm a little bit congested, I'm a little bit sick. So what is Dermaroller? Actually, Dermaroller is a great tool, and this is very affordable tool to improve your skin's health overall. Like, for example, reduce fine lines, reduce wrinkles, reduce hyperpigmentation, remove and reduce acne scarring, depends how long you have and everything. You cannot use Dermaroller on acne. Just like big warning over here on the screen, you cannot use Dermaroller if you do have active acne. And overall skin texture, skin health, skin tone, that is really amazing, most affordable, most perfect little baby that I have today in my hands. So why this Dermaroller is better than others? Because most of the Dermarollers on the market are fake. They don't have needles. They have a fake metal blades like wheels. They don't have a nice straight cut like real needles will have. So here in Gin Amber Beauty, which I own the company, we only sell real needle Dermarollers. It's a real deal, real stuff. So how I do prepare Dermaroller, I already rinse above the sink with the alcohol. I have over here isopropyl 70% alcohol. This is the best way to disinfect your tool. I was storing in the case for an hour before this video. And then how I actually do with my skin, just an update. I have a dry skin. Sometimes I have rosacea like flare-ups. I do have right now, so you see a little bit, not much, very tiny. So usually I use Avene. This, I love this. It's really great for sensitive skin, for any kind of skin, but especially for sensitive skin. Or I do double cleanse before that, or I like this, is from the brand New Skin, this face massager and cleanser. Or I can use, this is quite pricey, so if you're on the budget, also it's a great way to cleanse your skin with alpha beta glycolic acid cleanser. It kind of breaks down all the dead cells, removes that, you know, kind of oiliness that you have on the skin. You can use this every night. I use this every other night. Which one do we use today? I don't know. I just want to show you as many options as possible. Probably most likely I'm gonna go with the New Skin. I haven't used in a while. I'm just gonna spray waters because I'm not in the tub, guys, and so I can glide it a little bit easier. And doing one pump on that. I don't know if you're going to see. Yeah. Oh, that's a little bit too much. And on the skin, and just gonna turn on over here. You turn on like this. You see, this is on right now. So, and that takes like literally no more than 1 minute, and it really cleanses your skin. Well, now what I have to do now, I really have to go wash my face, and then I'm gonna be back. But I want to show you what I have. I have aloe vera, and I'm gonna try to use aloe vera with Dermaroller. Okay, so after I cleanse my skin, I will go actually and disinfect with alcohol. But I do not want to irritate my rosacea. If you do not have rosacea, you can go ahead and use alcohol pads. And I basically don't wear makeup. I haven't wear makeup probably like in a week or two, 10 days, something like that. So if you wear today or yesterday makeup, you must disinfect with the wipes, because you do not want any kind of crap going. And plus this morning I washed my skin as well. And so if you have like kind of like, if you can't tolerate pain, I will totally recommend a numbing cream. I don't have right now with me because I'm kind of badass. I don't really need numbing cream, but I will recommend my favorite numbing cream down in the description box. And now we're starting with dermarolling technique. Like when I did this video almost 4 years ago, my technique was different. I was basically rolling back and forth. That's not okay. I mean, it's not gonna kill you, not gonna happen anything, but you will get more results, more benefits if you're gonna roll and lift your dermaroller each time. So for example, I'm gonna start with the forehead. And what you wanna do, you wanna go horizontal lines, you wanna do horizontal line, vertical lines, and then diagonal lines. This is how we do this year. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then, no, ready yet? Ooh. And then again, 1 below, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see? Not ready yet. If you're red, it's okay. It's not a big deal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see, it's still not red. I'm fine. And then we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a little bit kind of like pinching, kind of uncomfortable feeling. If you haven't tried, it's like kind of somebody's like pinching you, like a bee sting or something like that. It can be uncomfortable, so you try for the first time. If you really don't like it, go ahead and then order or buy some more numbing cream. Like, I'm not rolling back and forth, I'm like literally rolling up, lifting, but when I do fast, maybe it looks like that I'm dragging, but I'm not. And then let's do diagonal, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I always start with the forehead, but forehead it might be most uncomfortable actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Almost done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that's it. So let's start with this cheek. Again, like vertical, you know, we can do here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. People ask me very often, how much do you have to like press the dermaroller? Imagine when you have a shaving tool, you shave with a razor or wherever, you do not like go and like, you know, and you also not do it like wherever, then it's not gonna shave, you know, not gonna cut your hair. You have to like really like mild, you know, like this. 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Upper lip is painful. Be ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then diagonal. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see, I'm not bleeding, so I'm good. You never, I'm promising to you guys that you're never gonna bleed with 0.5 and with my dermaroller, unless you're gonna do something crazy, I don't know, but I never bleed with 0.5. People never bleed with the real needle. You don't bleed. If you're bleeding, that's mean you're using fake dermaroller. And now we're going to do the same on this cheek. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then go really close by the ear, because that's important. This is where I'm starting actually have wrinkles, you know, starting to have wrinkles. So I'm going really close. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we can go to the chin. You do not want to like roll like this. You want to do like a triangle shape. 1, 2. Now for diagonal, there's not much space. There's nothing to do. For the nose, for your blackheads, it's amazing. Really good way to get rid of blackheads. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm kind of trying in all directions of 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, if you want, you can go extra if you feel somewhere maybe it's missing or you need something more. You can press a little bit more if you feel it's not itching, it's not burning, you're not going crazy, it's nothing happening. Like you're like, oh Gin, I don't feel it, like I don't know if I feel it. You can really go ahead and press a little bit more. So let's say I'm gonna press a little bit on this cheek and you will see gonna get more red. See, slightly more red, not that much. And then I'll do the same here. This is where my, I hate this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go and roll a little bit more on that part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so should I do neck? No, I'm not gonna do neck. I'm gonna do neck next time. Okay, so once you're done with the Dermaroller, you go to your sink, pour above the sink, keep Dermaroller like this open, and you can actually do around the eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't be surprised when you're gonna Dermaroll, for example, lift the brow. You're gonna grow your brow because Dermaroller helps to grow your hair. Grow here where you have, not where you don't have. So we can do the same here. It's not gonna grow hair on the face, just letting you know, because by now, after 4 years of dermarolling, I will be with a big beard. All right, so disinfecting, closing in the case, and that's it. And then I will take peptide serum. I still have. I'm taking 2 pumps, very gentle tapping. Especially it's very cool if you keep in the fridge. Or you can actually do aloe vera. You can totally do, guys, aloe vera. So many estheticians and many dermatologists will tell you do not apply aloe vera on the skin, blah, blah, blah. Yes, you can. Yes, you can do red light therapy. You can apply sheet mask and stuff like this. So I will show you how I could actually do with aloe vera. I have here, actually I have a aloe vera plant. I'm gonna get messy here. Whatever, I can clean it up. I can use instructions of the Dermaroller for that. So let's see, I cut 1 piece like that. I'm just gonna like demonstrate you for a few seconds with a tiny bit of aloe vera. So I cut all the parts like that, you see, and just cutting in the half. So I take like that, and I can like gently massage it. I'm getting red. That's okay. Like gently massaging. Oh my god, this is so cooling. I love it. Aloe vera actually is great. It cools down your skin. You can apply sheet mask after. We do have a specifically designed sheet mask to use after microneedling. You do not want to use after microneedling these things. Any products that have alcohol, drying alcohols like denaturated alcohol or alcohol itself, isopropyl alcohol, like constantly applying products with alcohol, it's not okay. Perfumes, fragrances, any kind of irritating ingredients, silicones, it's like important. I am not gonna give all the list because there are so many bad ingredients, but the alcohol, perfumes, parabens, silicones, SLS, this 5 that what you want to avoid after microneedling is very, very, very important. After that, I can wait until it's gonna go dry. I can apply oil or something like that. I do have right now with me, I also want to give a shout out to Mesolift. This is for the lips. It's also very tiny microneedle tool that you press over here like that. The serum comes out and you dermaroll your lips. It's super tiny, you barely can feel it, but it is with the needles. I have also for the eyes, tiny microneedle tool, but the good thing when you press, the serum comes out and you actually roll the serum in the eye. Yeah, I love it. And then for usually if I don't have these tools, let's say you don't have these tools, I'm gonna be using Gin Amber Beauty Retinol Eye Cream. This is very tiny amount of retinol. It is 100% natural eye cream. Shea butter, vitamin E, retinol, vitamin C. Yes, you can use vitamin C and retinol in one. You just have to have really good chemists. I'm talking as a company. So what do you want to avoid after Dermaroller? You do want to avoid sun at all costs. I know some people say you should use SPF and stuff like this. I'm not a fan of SPF. I am the fan of avoiding sun. Like, avoid sun. Avoid sun, big hat, big glasses, COVID mask, wherever. Avoid sun for at least 42 hours. If you plan to go to the beach, don't plan to use Dermaroller the same week as you're going to the beach. So no sun for 40 or 72 hours. Make sure you do not exercise for 24 hours. No sauna. No any harsh exfoliating acids or any harsh scrubs for the skin, and try to hydrate. I know your skin is gonna be dry, your skin is gonna get drier. That's totally normal. Your skin might gonna peel. That's totally normal. You need to rejuvenate. You need to restore the newer, you know, cells that coming to the surface of your skin. Don't freak out. You can start exfoliating after 2-3 days, you know, with the light exfoliation like this exfoliating cleanser. You can actually exfoliate, I will say, maybe not the next night, the night after. And if you want like a harsher exfoliation, you can use like in 3 days. Make sure these 3 days after are very, very important. A lot of hydration, drink a lot of water, eat like fruits that has a lot of water, like cucumber, watermelon, melon, something like that, and drink a lot of water. By the way, I have my water here. Cancer organic oil that is very natural and is organic, and I love it a lot. I'm gonna put very little. I know, guys, before I told you do not use oil or stuff like this, but over the time my opinion changes. Check out this book, Dermal Needling, by Dr. Lance Satterfield. He is the founder of Microneedle Tools. I didn't come up something that this is like some sort of like working or stuff like this. He proves how many studies he has done with Dermaroller and how good it works actually. So if you have any questions, I will be happy to answer all your questions down below in the subscription box. I have Instagram. Check out my Instagram, Gin Amber X. I post daily over there, some private, you know, behind the scenes stuff. My YouTube over here, Gin Amber. Please subscribe if you haven't. I hope you're gonna click that red button, subscribe. And guys, I love you so much. Thank you for taking care of your skin. Thank you for taking time to watch this video. I love you. Namaste. Bye.